Geodata files for urban plans, which can be imported as measures, mostly consist of buildings, but can sometimes contain water features as well. These features are imported as a separate operation. Start by ensuring the buildings of the plan are already imported as a measure. Click on Future Design in the ribbon. Click on Measures in the ribbon bar. Click on the already imported measure. This measure is a plan of already imported buildings. Click on Add Terrain to add a terrain effect to the measure. Select the terrain effect. Its details will be listed in the right panel. A water terrain consists of an outer area, which dictates where the water will go, and an optional inner area, which will dictate the exact extent of the water bottom. At the bottom of the right panel, click on Draw Outer Area. The brush panel will open, allowing for the creation of additional selections to add to the water terrain. For the brush mode, select Blueprint. Then click on From Wizard. This will open the Geo Import Wizard. This will allow for the import of a file purely for the geographical polygons. Click on Next to continue. Select the data type of the urban plan. Then, click on Next to continue. For that data type, select the exact file or service in layer which contains the intended urban plan. Inspect the incoming number of features. Then, click on Next to continue. Ensure that the features representing water, specifically the outer bound of the water, are included in the dataset. Click on Next to continue. All data being imported will be available as a preview before continuing. Click on Next to continue. Depending on the exact features in the dataset, it is possible to filter which features to include in this import. After setting up the appropriate filters, or if no filters are necessary, click on Next to continue. Then finally, click on Finish to complete the import. The result is that the imported polygons are added to the brush's pending selection as if it were just drawn in. Click on Apply Selection to save the selection for this terrain modification. This completes the definition of where water will be added as part of a measure. It's possible to import a second, inner polygon as well to define a specific angle for the shoreline. When not importing an inner area, the shoreline is made as steep as possible. Now that the polygons are set, the depth should be configured as well. In the right panel, find the relative height change input field and ensure the value is set to -3. This means that the water bottom on all parts of the water's inner area polygon is 3 meters deep. In the left panel, select the measure. Then click on Activate Measure to activate the measure. When the measure has applied, notice the new water feature added as part of the measure.